The talk, entitled SQL and Hadoop: Architecture, Technology and Innovations, gives an exhaustive overview of the landscape of SQL engines on Hadoop, with focus on architectures of low-latency SQL engines. The talk covers SQL engines in the open source world for batch, interactive, streaming and operational workloads. It discusses internals of the tools like Hive on Tez, Spark SQL, Impala, Apache Drill, Presto, and Tachyon-based architectures. SQL has been with us for about 40 years and Hadoop for about 10 years. Both these technologies are here to stay, even though when Hadoop was born, there was no SQL interface to it. However, with the rapid adoption of Hadoop in the enterprise, the open source community and commercial organizations have built innovative solutions to build SQL engines on Hadoop. This talk covers how SQL engines are architected for processing structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data and the fundamental concepts behind them. The final portions of the talk covers the rapidly evolving landscape and innovations happening in the space, with products like OLAP on Hadoop, probabilistic SQL engines like BlinkDB, and HTAP-based solutions like NuoDB and VoltDB, along with how GPUs are being used by a company called MapD, using 40,000 cores to build a supremely massive parallel SQL engine for large-scale data processing with low latency. Benchmarking on SQL Hadoop engines has always been controversial, since most of the engines have used benchmarks which were based on relational data stores, whose architectures, workloads, and capabilities were very different. The final few slides of the talk gives a peek into the new TPC Benchmark 2.0, specifically built for evaluating performance of SQL engines on Hadoop.